What's up, y'all? It's Amber Real, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today we're gonna do a lock knot bob on these locks. I'm gonna show you all my palm roll technique and how I do the lock knots on natural hair. So check it out. Stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, what I did was shampoo my client. I placed her under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe about 45 minutes. And now I'm going in with a retwist. I have a lock gel that I use, the lock gel that I use for this. I'm gonna drop a picture on the video for you all to see. And I'm just going in and I'm cleaning up her parts, and I'm doing a nice palm roll. I like to keep the lock gel on my hand so that it's quicker. It's quicker for me if I just put a glob of it on the top of my hand like you see in the video, and then I'm just able to continuously go in one motion, you know? Be sure that when you're doing a retwist that you're making sure that you are cleaning the parts. That is like one of the biggest differences in what makes a retwist look so clean. You want clean parting. So, you know, sometimes it's not the best feeling for your clients, but once you're done, they're gonna love the finished product because it's just gonna be so clean and crisp looking. And you're just going to continue this all the way through. You might notice that once I put the lock gel on the lock strand, that I kind of comb through the roots because that's what, again, that gives a clean, crisp looking retwist. If I'm combing it out, combing it through, and it just makes it really sleek looking. And also, you guys, I kind of work as I go. So, like, when they want to style, like, 2-strand twists or plaits, or, like, she's getting the lock knot bob. Like, once I've used up all the lock gel on the top of my hand, then I'll kind of go back and then I'll retwist. And then once I retwisted all of those then I'll, basically start over again. So that's why you see it looks like it's already been styled in the back. But, whatever your preference is, that's just my preference. I feel like I like to move like that. It makes me feel like I'm moving a little bit faster. But however you prefer to do it is perfectly fine. Okay, now we get to the good part. This is where I start to do the lock knot bob that we're working on. So you take 2 locks, as you see here, and you just start by doing a 2-strand twist. Once you've 2-strand twisted about halfway, what I did was I take the locks and I bring them back up and then I re-wrap them going down, as you can see right here. And then I just put the rubber band around it. So this was kind of tricky, being that even though she has a nice length of locks, they were still a little short for this style. So I tried to go down as long. I tried to make her bob as long as possible, and also the bob came out layered because her locks are naturally layered. But the longer that the hair is, the easier that it will be to do this bob. And I could have made her knots at the bottom a little bit longer and fuller, but because her hair was on the shorter side for this style, this was the best that we could achieve. And this was the final product. It still came out very cute. It was so neat. We came a long way from when she first walked in. I love this style. It looked really classy. She had a gala to go to, and I'm sure that she killed it. I loved this look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.